Ever seen the blue light on your Ring doorbell and wondered what it means? You're not alone. In this video, we'll break down the meanings behind those blue light patterns. Whether it's booting up, connecting to Wi-Fi, or a sign of charging issues, we'll guide you through it all. The blue light on your Ring video doorbell serves as an indicator of its current status. There are multiple blue light patterns and colors that reveal what's happening with your device. First, let's identify your Ring doorbell model. Open the Ring app on your mobile device. Tap the menu button and then Devices. Choose your doorbell and tap Device Health to find your product name. Understanding your specific model helps in troubleshooting. Now, let's explore what the blue indicators mean. A spinning blue light signifies normal operation when someone presses the doorbell. If the light is flashing on and off, your doorbell is booting up. A solid blue light indicates that the speaker is enabled. Different sections lighting up blue. That shows the battery charge level for first-generation models. For problems like a flashing blue light, take note. If the light is exhibiting a circular flashing pattern, it's usually charging. If it doesn't stop flashing, it may indicate a charging issue, especially for first-gen models, since its battery is not easily replaceable. Next up, a frantic blinking blue followed by white means your doorbell is performing a factory reset. This can happen if triggered by a user or during a firmware update. If it continues blinking after a while, try power cycling the device. Remove the battery or turn off the power at the breaker, wait a few minutes, then turn it back on. If you see the blue light moving upwards, it indicates your Ring is reconnecting to Wi-Fi. Patience is key. Give it a minute to connect. If it doesn't stop flashing after that, check your internet connection for speed and signal strength. Let's touch on white light indicators too. The flashing white light means your Ring is updating its firmware. Ensure a stable internet connection and check for any notifications in the Ring app. If it keeps flashing, you might need to restart or reset the device. If you encounter lower halves flashing red, this points to power issues. Verify the connections to the transformer or recharge the device as needed. As we conclude, remember that the light indicators on your Ring doorbell are vital for troubleshooting issues. Whether it's identifying connection problems or charging troubles, knowing what these lights mean empowers you to take appropriate action. Don't hesitate to seek local professional help for setup, wiring, or repairs. If you found this information useful, please like, subscribe, and share for more smart home tips.